Hello, I'm Paul Bagan, a certified Dale Carnegie course trainer and coach out of Stockton, California. Have you ever had a situation where the customer is so irate that they don't let you get a word in? Well, sometimes we shouldn't be worried about getting a word in. Here's a Carnegie approach. First, let the customer speak their piece. Take time to listen. After they have said their piece, then start off with something in a positive way. If I were in your shoes, I would feel the same way. Will you allow me to be your advocate? I really want to see how I might be able to help you with this. There's some things that I have control over and some things that I don't. But what I do have control over is being your advocate. I can take your concern, present it to management, and get back with you quickly with an answer. Would that be an acceptable first step for you? Dale Carnegie says, listen, see things from the other person's point of view. That's your Dale Carnegie tip for the week. I'm Paul Bagan. I'm out of Stockton, California. And if you're looking for more information on Dale Carnegie Training, you may find us at www.dalecarnegie.com. Have a great day.